It's well cold this morning, and you guys tomorrow will have to subtract another 15 to 20 degrees from what we are today. It is going to be brutally cold, perhaps the coldest Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade ever here in New York City. And that cold weather has a lot of people rethinking those holiday plans. This morning, Macy's employees making preparations for a show that will go on, hoping that come Thursday, their famous balloons will still fly.
We want to make sure that nobody gets any types of frostbite or any injuries due to the cold weather.
With frigid temperatures and high winds threatening the famous Thanksgiving Day Parade, authorities looking to avoid mistakes of holidays past.
It looked like he's going to fall on top of us.
In 1997, strong winds blew this cat-in-the-hat balloon into a street lamp. Debris from that lamp struck a young woman, putting her in a coma for 3 weeks. In 2005, a similar incident when this giant M&M-themed balloon struck a pole in Times Square, injuring 2. This Thanksgiving Day, the winds expected to gust in the 25 to 35 mile per hour range, close to the threshold for grounding the balloons. The NYPD deploying devices called anemometers along the parade route to measure wind speeds. In a statement, Macy's saying, quote, "In the morning, just prior to the start of the event, the NYPD and Macy's will make a final determination on the flight of the giant balloons based on the current weather data available from the parade route and a number of additional sources."
It's going to be cold, so just make sure you wear the appropriate attire.
Another concern, the frigid temperatures, which will be stuck in the 20s, some spectators opting to stay in.
Of course, it'd be fun to see the parade, but I don't know. That's cold.
It just seems it's going to be a little too cold, and maybe a stay-home morning.
Others ready to brave the elements.
We saw it was going to be very cold and went and got long johns and everything before we came, so I hope we're ready.
And we're hoping for his sake that Spider-Man can fly, because that's his favorite balloon. He's looking forward to it.
So it'll be a game time decision on those balloons, but it's not just the parade, guys. Some football games have already been moved to today, trying to get them in before that bitter cold moves in. One silver lining, though, I think your TV audience is growing as we speak. I know I, for one, will be cuddled up at home watching where it's warm.
Yes, a good call, Kristen. Thank you. And, of course, we will be there tomorrow in 8 pairs of wool underwear. The Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade starts at 9 a.m., so we hope you'll watch it with us all cozy and warm.
It's going to be fun.
Right here on NBC.